Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to redeem a code on Xbox. Redeeming a code on your Xbox is a straightforward process that can unlock a variety of content including games, subscriptions and in-game items. To redeem your code, first of all, launch the Xbox app open on your device. Log in with your Microsoft account's credential associated with your Xbox console or your Xbox account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now click on the gear button at the top right from your profile page. Once you open up the settings menu, go to Redeem Code option under Account. And on the next page, you'll need to enter your redemption code or your gift card number in the text box. Carefully enter the 25-character long code. This code can be found on the card or in your email if it's a digital code. Be mindful of any hyphens or space and make sure to type it exactly as it appears in the text box. After you type it down and if the code is correct, you'll be taken to the next step. Review the details to ensure everything is correct, and you will then be able to complete the redemption. Some codes are region specific and may not work if your account's region does not match. Verify that the code hasn't expired because expired codes cannot be redeemed, and also ensure your account is in good standing. Issues like payment holds can prevent successful redemption. So by that, you can easily redeem a code in Xbox in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.